Yay! This is awesome!
Sun shines hot on the dusty way. Rex digs strong through the break of day. Barry pushes, Toby stands. Carrie watches with her steady hands. Clang! What's this deep underground? A giant pipe stuck tight and bound. Too big to push, too hard to pull. Oh, says Rex, this job is full. Not too fast, not just strong. Working smart is how we go on. Every skill has its own place. Teamwork wins every race.
Hook it right and hold it still. Lift it slow with care and skill. Up it goes into the sky.
Together strong we reach so high. Road is clear, smooth and new. Blacktop shines, the job is through. Laugh and cheer beneath the sun. Teamwork fixed it. Well done, everyone. Hey!
Demolition is an art form. Precision achieved. Clear the path. Make way for efficiency.
Stability checked. Initiating critical lift.
Gotta hit the deadline. Level 1 clear. Ground 0 prepared.
Receiving cargo. Hold steady, Toby.
Just hurry up.
Beneath the surface lies the foundation of progress. Gentle now. Perfect surface achieved. The construction team, working as one magnificent machine.
Mission accomplished. Efficiency defined.
Hurry, hurry! Supplies needed now!
Precision! Every placement matters.
Move it! Out of the way! Lifting clear. Steady as she goes. I went as fast as I could. This load is heavy, Rex.
The chief demolition expert focused intensely through the fractured glass, unbothered by the permanent smears of dust.
All right, here comes the fill. Stand clear!
Flat. What? Done.
Placement confirmed. Wait, solid foundation.
Maximum efficiency achieved. Road repaired. I'll take it! Spread it while it's hot! It's always hot, Barry!
The fit must be absolute. No tolerances accepted.
Clear the way! Muscle moves it! Heavy loads and fast speeds, I need new axles!
Maintain stability. Slow and steady wins the structure.
Right, complexity level 9. Engage. I'll take it! Spread it while it's hot! It's always hot, Barry!
The construction crew, efficiency defined.
Every gear turns, every track moves. Synergy in steel.
Ah, the foundation tells a story. We must stabilize this layer. Precision is just power applied gently.
Structure secured. Road repair service complete.